Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. If you love dot mandala art, if creating patterns brings you peace and focus, but somewhere inside you, you keep wondering why my dots are not perfect. Why am I still feeling so stuck? Can this art ever become my source of income? Then trust me, you are in the right place. ATM Creations is created for beginners who are just starting dot mandala art and artists who already create designs but lack confidence, and artists who are struggling with symmetry, dot consistency, tools, and colors, and artists who want to move beyond hobby and earn from their art. It is also for working professionals who are looking for creative outlet. It is for spiritual seekers who want to meditate through creativity. And it is also for people who seek healing and also for people who want to heal others through colors. This channel is not only about learning designs, it's about growth, different growth, artistic, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial. Let me share with you all something, which is the origin story of ATM Creations, which till date is very close to my heart and will continue to stay closer forever. ATM Creations did not start with a big plan. It started simply at my home. My sons developed a deep interest in video editing. They wanted raw footage to practice, experiment, and improve their skills. And they started troubling me, Ma, please record your art videos. So I also thought, why not record my dot mandala process and give them as a raw videos? That was the only intention. I started recording just for them. No audience, no strategy, no business plan. But slowly, something shifted inside me. As I watched all those videos that I uploaded in this channel, as I started explaining what I was doing, and I also saw how naturally teaching flowed from me, I realized that was not random. What started as support for my son's learning was quietly shaping my own path. That's when I understood something very deeply. We may think we are doing something for a reason, but God always knows better. ATM Creations came into existence not by force but by destiny. Like many artists, my journey was not always confident. I loved symmetry, I loved colors, I loved mandalas, rangoli, embroidery, dot mandalas. I also struggled with inconsistent dots. I struggled with disturbed symmetry. I struggled with fear of making mistakes and later fear for selling my art. Too many questions popped up in my mind. Am I good enough? Who will buy this? Will someone ever buy my art? Can art really give financial stability? Instead of quitting the journey, I chose to go deeper. I studied the art form seriously. I practiced every single day with intention. I built structure around creativity. Over time, I not only mastered dot mandala, but I also built a successful art business from home. And I have trained hundreds of students, created structured programs, and also achieved Limca Book of Records for the world's largest mandala art. Let me clearly tell you what you will find in this particular channel. You will see dot mandala designs on MDF boards and sketchbook papers, small, medium, and large scale mandalas, beginner friendly to advanced designs, clean, professional, and symmetrical patterns. These are not just watch and copy videos. I help you understand the design logic. You will find Zero to Hero series in this channel. And this is one of the most important part of this channel. There are many videos where you can understand grid making, you will understand dot consistency training, correct tool usage, correct color combinations, how to fix mistakes without panic. These strong basics create confident artists, and I focus deeply on all of these basics. Starting from 2026, what you will also see is pain points of dot mandala artist. I'm going deeply and openly to talk about what most artists don't say. Probably about shaky hands, fear of spoiling the design, losing confidence after one small error, comparing yourself to others, feeling stuck at the same level. And here, we will talk about real struggles and real solutions. Most importantly, you will also see videos on art business and monetizing your art. ATM Creations is all about earning with integrity. I'll guide you on pricing your dot mandala art, selling art online, getting commissions, teaching art, and creating courses, building multiple income streams, turning your art into a sustainable business. Because art is not just a passion, it deserves respect and financial value. I want you all to remember this. You don't need to be born talented. You don't need to copy others. You don't need shortcuts. What you all actually need is clear guidance, consistent practice discipline, and belief in your journey. I teach with structure, honesty, and patience. If you are someone who wants to improve step by step, who is ready to learn patiently, who wants confidence in both art and life, and if you are one who is dreaming of earning from creativity, then ATM Creations is your space. This channel is built with intention, love, and purpose. After all, God always knows better. What started as a few raw videos for my sons has become a calling for myself. So I want you all to subscribe to ATM Creations, turn on the notification bell, and walk this journey with me. Let's create beautiful mandalas, let's build confident artists, and let us all turn our art into freedom. Welcome to ATM Creations.